Want to play YouTube music on the background? Do this one trick and you can play any YouTube music on your background smoothly without any issues. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do this without a sweat. So let's get started. First, go to your Settings app. Now scroll down a bit and tap on Apps. In the App section, find the YouTube music. Tap on it. Now tap on Set as Default option. And make sure this option is toggled on. Now go back to your home menu. Tap on Chrome. Now search music.youtube.com. Then here, tap on the three dots and select Desktop Site. Now search for the song that you want to listen to and play it. Now you can play your favorite music on your background. Tap on the home button to make sure it works properly or not. That's how you can play YouTube music in the background easily. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.